Dr. Herrera, practicing at Bedford Dental Care. We have a building, it's a really old building, and we're doing new construction on the same property. Right now we're at a 3-op practice, so we're talking about doing a 7-op, and then now after being here, kind of seems like we might be going bigger, so just to future-proof it. And I've been watching all the content on YouTube for years and went through the whole website, took a lot of inspiration from it. I was very bought into the whole system and idea, and I brought the team today so that they can be just as invested in it as I am. In our own office, we outfitted one operatory to be Design Ergonomics, and now seeing the systems, I think the team sees how it's gonna make sense. Yeah, I mean, I think if you're trying to be an extraordinary practice and be extremely efficient with your floor plans and get the most dollar out of the millions I'm sure that people are spending building out offices, you have to at least have a consultation with Design Ergonomics, because I think you're going to save yourself a lot of money and a lot of heartache. You know, the numbers that they were showing us and how many they've done, thousands of these practices, and just they know what the future holds for us, and they just see us outgrowing our planned space very quickly. So it's really great to have someone with so much experience giving us advice so that we don't make any bad decisions now. We can kind of confidently move into the future knowing that we're on a good path.